Okay class. Today we are. Peter. What is it?
I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay. Go quickly.
I'm going to turn on the fire alarm.
Wait a minute. There's no fire.
Peter. What's going on here?
I set off the school fire alarm.
That's it. I'm calling your parents. Hey! Is this Peter's parents? This is Mr. C. Peter set off the fire alarm. Can you please ground him? Thanks. Peter. Your parents are coming. Peter. How dare you set off the school fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 3, 8, 2, 9, 7, 4, 9, 3, 8, 3, 9 years. Let's go home now.